This video tutorial I will explain add method of Gregorian calendar class which accept calendar field and amount. Here I have defined a class Gregorian calendar demo. Here I have created Gregorian calendar object. Then I am calling add method of Gregorian calendar object and passing calendar field as month and amount as 2. So 2 months will be added. And here you can see October is changed to December. Then I am calling add method of Gregorian calendar object and passing calendar field as year and amount as 2. So 2 more years will be added. And here you can see 2018 is changed to 2020.